Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to switch testnet in Green Bitcoin wallet. Switching to testnet in the Green Bitcoin wallet allows you to experiment with Bitcoin transaction using testnet coins that have no real world value. This is ideal for developers or users who want to test features without using actual Bitcoin. Here's how to switch to testnet in Green Bitcoin wallet. Launch the Green Bitcoin wallet application on your device and select the wallet. Unlock the application using your PIN or biometrics. After that, tap on menu icon, which is three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you can find App Settings. Click on it. Here, scroll through the settings until you find the section labeled as Enable Testnet and simply switch the toggle on. After that, click on Save button. You can also create a new testnet wallet. Once switched to testnet, you can create a new wallet specifically for testnet transaction, as mainnet wallets are not compatible with testnet. If you already have a testnet wallet, you can import it by selecting Restore Wallet option and entering your testnet wallet details. Switching to testnet in Green Wallet is simple and provides a safe environment to experiment with Bitcoin transaction without using real funds. By following these steps, you can switch network and test various wallet features confidently. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.